Hello children, class 7th exercise 11.3 question number 10. From a circular card sheets of a radius 14 centimeter, two circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. As shown in the adjoining figure, find the area of the remaining sheets. Pi value is given 22 upon 7. This is the figure. Now, question 10. The figure is given. The card is in the shape of circle, and in card of there are two small circle and one mouth is represented in the shape of rectangle. We have to remove these two area and this one rectangle. Okay, and what is given in the question? They have given radius of card sheet is equal to 14 centimeter. It is given. So first we find out the area of the circle. Radius given. What is the area of circle? Formula: area of circle, that is pi r square. Pi value is given 22 upon 7 and radius is given 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 22 into 2 will become, I am doing here calculation, 44 into 14. 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16, 17, 1 fours are 4, 4, 6, 11, 1, 4, 5, 6. The answer will become 616 centimeter square. Now we got the area of this card, but we have to remove now this and this and this area. The small, I will write the two circle, radius of two circles क्या दिया हुआ है 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, the area of this radius of this two circle is 3.5 centimeter. So we can remove area of circle. Two circle है तो I will multiply 2 into, and what is the area of a circle? Pi r square. Okay, 2 है क्योंकि 2 circle है, that is why I am multiplying 2 into pi's value 22 upon 7 and radius is given 3.5 into 3.5. I'm cancelling 7 ones are point है तो 0.5 will become. Now multiply 2 into 22, 44. Now 44 into 3.5, 3.5, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20, 22, 3 fours are 12, 1, 3 fours are 12, 13. Now 0, 4, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, sir. Now cancellation 0, 4, 5, 1, 1 decimal एक के बाद है, and now we have to multiply 0.5. 0.5 will be multiplied. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 26, 27, 27, 5, 6, 7, and again multiply you will do, so all 0 will come. The final answers will come. I am writing here 0, 7, 7, 0, 7, 7, 0 will become, and the decimal 2 decimals है तो 2 के बाद आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे 2 0 थी, आई विल पुट 1 more 0, दिस 2 0 and this 2 7 because नीचे तो सारे 0, तो दिस विल आंसर 1 decimal after 1 decimal 1 digit after 1 decimal another, only 2 digit is, तो 1 2, तो point will come. So what is your area? That is 77 centimeter square. We got the area of this two circle. Now we find the area of this rectangle. Now information is given in the question. The length is given 3 centimeter and the breadth is given 1 centimeter, and we can find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. The length is given 3, breadth is given 1. we got 3 ones are 3 centimeter square. We got area of this 2 also, and we have to find the area of remaining sheet. Area of remaining sheet. So how you will get area? First we find out, first we take this area of the circle. Area of circle कितना है? 616. Then we can minus area of this 2 circle. Area of this 2 circle is 77. And then we can minus the area of rectangle, that is 3 centimeter square. So we can take, first I am subtracting this 2, 677, 0, 16 minus 7, you will get 9, 5, 10 minus 7, 3 and 5. Now subtract minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6, 3, 5. So your final answer will be 536 centimeter square. Thank you children. If you like this video, share, like and subscribe. Thank you.